Hi, I'm Jim Hotaling, Managing Director of Leadership Development at N2Growth. And today I've got Jaco Erasmus, who is our CEO of EMEAA. Jaco, welcome today.
Thank you, Jim.
And we've been interviewing several of our partners from around the globe for the last 2 days, and it's been on the topic of leadership. And you are a seasoned executive that has seen a lot of things in your lifetime, in your career as a leader yourself. And I'd be very interested to kind of get your viewpoint of a leadership landscape today, currently in the EMEAA region.
Yes, thank you, Jim. I think one of the things that I can still appreciate very much over the years is still situational leadership. That means that there's not one specific way of being the best leader. It's very much and largely contextually based.
You bet.
The way we look at leadership from an N2Growth perspective is that we are really trying to understand the demographics of a company that ask us and consult us, ask us to talk about leadership and help them to revamp their leadership suite. We very much look at the impact of new technologies. It asks new type of leader than it used to be in the past. People who are much more tech savvy, understand the impact, the transformational impact of new technology on their business. We are definitely looking at the way customer expectations change and what that asks of the new type of companies, new type of leadership at the maturity level of companies, and especially also at the competitive landscape. What are the competitors doing? What type of leaders do they have that makes them move faster or slower than the company that we're looking at? And especially also the culture.
Do you have examples of how that would reach in each one of those?
I think that if you look at, for instance, startups, startup companies need very different type of leaders, and they often do. It's often the entrepreneurial guy that's starting up the company, talking to investors, having ideas, taking a lot of risks, and making fast decisions. But as that company grows maybe into a ramp-up phase, the entrepreneurial startup type of leader doesn't really fit anymore. So we need somebody that brings a bit of structure, that can help to grow the company, somebody that can align the internal processes. And as that company matures, again, you need a different type of leader. Maybe somebody that holds the course, that's not rocking the boat. And then what you usually see, or sometimes see at larger companies, when it goes into a phase of decline, it's again a different type of leader. Somebody that's more robust, that can reorganize, that can introduce some change and transformation and drive the transformation from within.
That is some amazing insight. And I can see why you're a CEO, because of that perspective right there. So I appreciate your time with us today, Jaco. I hope everybody got a little bit out of that.